No, there's this funny story where so I like going for walks around. I mean, it's California, right? So it's beautiful, and there's this one loop that I used to go on when I was at our last office, where there are these few kids who they'd ride their bikes, and every day when I'd walk by this one guy, he'd ask me, he'd just like yell questions at me, like, "Hey, Mr. Zuckerberg," like, "Mr. Zuckerberg, what?" I want to learn how to program. What should I do? Should I try to like what system should I learn how to program? I'm like, well, what do you have? A Windows computer or a Mac or a phone, or what do you want? He's like, well, I want to build an iPhone app. I'm like, all right, great. So go download the developer kit for iPhone. So then I'd come back a couple days later and he'd just say, yeah, my loop. And he's like, okay, so I went to go download the developer kit, and my mom says, it's $99. Should I get it? I'm like, yeah, tell your mom you should get it. So he's like, okay, I'll go do that. And then a few days later, I'd come back and he'd be like, all right, I got the developer kit, and my mom says I can get it. So now what's the first thing that I should get started doing? So I'm like, all right, well, first try to learn this. And then like this would just go on for weeks. And I can't say I didn't teach him how to program, but it was really gratifying to know that in some small way, maybe I could help out teaching the next generation of folks who are going to become engineers.